What we have here is a battery that has a loose terminal here, as you can see, and no matter if we tighten it up over time, it just loosens up again, and it causes the lights to go on and off, and sometimes stalling or even a hard time to start it. And we're gonna take and replace this end here. First thing you're going to want to do, this is on the positive side. You should take the negative side off first and then remove the positive. And we're going to take and cut the cable off here and then use this little connector here to reattach the cable and then put it on here. Okay, to get this end off here, I took and cut back the insulation a little bit. Then I took a Dremel tool and cut into the old clamp here, and I pulled that off. And now I'm just going to clean this up a little bit here, the end here, get all that green kiss of death off of there. I assembled our new battery clamp here. These cables will go into this hole here, tighten these two bolts down, and we're ready to install it. When you're cutting this off with the Dremel tool, make sure you don't cut into the copper wire, and wear some eye protection. Okay, now that that's on there nice and tight, I'm going to take a little bit of dielectric grease and put it on this copper wire where it's exposed here, and that'll keep it from turning green. And if you do have your wire and it is turning green, you're going to need to cut that out and then splice in a new one, and that should fix your problem.